my channel. It's ChristyRocksXO. In today's video, we are going to be making a centerpiece or a floral centerpiece. I don't know. We are going to be making something of that sort. So here is the basket that I'm going to be using. I thought this basket was so cute. I got this basket at Michael's and it was for $34.99, but you know your girl once again is not going to pay that. I had a awesome coupon and I paid about $12 for this basket. So it's really cute. I loved it and I had to have it for this arrangement. So let's go ahead and let's get started. So the first things first is I'm going to go ahead and take off the tag. And I'm also going to, let me see. All right, so let me show you what I'm going to be using for this guy here. So I have these pieces of grass here and I got these at Hobby Lobby. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to place them here inside of my basket. And I kind of want it to come out of the basket. So just like that. All right. And I have another couple of pieces that I cut up. But I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to stick here in the back. I'm going to kind of stand them up. Just like that right there. And let's see what's next. All right. And now I also have this bunny here and I got him at Ross for $9.99. I think he's so cute. He has this little bucket of carrots and I found him to be so cute. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take this guy and I'm going to place him right back here. Oh, no, scratch that. So before I put him in there, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take this garland here that I got at Hobby Lobby, 50% off. And what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to get it untangled. Come on, guy. All right. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to be wrapping it around the handle here. So just like this, I'm just going to wrap it around like that. And I'm going to wrap it one more time. And then I'm going to cut it. So I'm going to cut it at about right here, because I don't need all of it. So I'm going to cut it at about right there, because I just want it to cover the handle. So now it's looking like that. And you know what? I think I'm going to stand up the grass the long way like that. Perfect. So if you can see here, I just stood the grass up. Kind of hard to film this way. I'm trying to get everything in frame. All right, so now that I have my basket looking like this, I'm gonna go ahead now. I'm gonna take my little bunny and I'm going to place him back here, and I want his hand up here almost as if he's holding the basket, and I want him just standing up there like that. And let's see, now what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna take this greenery. This greenery I got at Dollar Tree, and Dollar Tree has amazing greenery, amazing floral. Go check it out. Look at this for just $1. So I'm gonna take these here, and I'm gonna take these stickers off. So now I'm gonna take this greenery here, and I'm gonna go ahead and just put them into the grass like that. Kind of stick it in there, you know, so it's coming out like that. And I'm also going to be taking my, let me see, I think I'm going to take my carrots and I'm going to place them in here. These carrots came from Michael's as well. I had a 60% off coupon, so they were $12.99 original price. And I am going to just snip this off And I'm not sure what I'm doing yet. I don't know if I want to add some more stuff here. We're gonna play around. So I know I want one of the carrots laying here like that. Do I want both of them here? Kind of want one like standing. Maybe like that. I don't know. We'll see. All right. Now I have these pieces here, and these came from Hobby Lobby, and all I did was rip them up so I could have more. This is just one bush of it. I'm using up what I have for this arrangement. I don't want to go out and buy more. Alright, so as you can see, all I did was rip it apart here like that, and all I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking this and I'm going to, let me see, can you see? I'm just going to stick it in here. Like that. Just going to stick them in. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it here in the middle. Like that. And same thing here. Just going to try and maneuver this in here. Alright. So it's looking like that. So cute. Okay, now what are we gonna do? Okay, so now that I have my yellow flowers in, I'm gonna go ahead. I only have 2 of these purple flowers, well, 1 of each actually. So I have this one here, and I got this at Walmart, which they have this exact one at Dollar Tree for $1, and this one here also came from Walmart. So all I did was I fanned them out. And I'm going to stick this purple one here in the middle, and then I'm going to take this other purple one and I'm just going to kind of put it right on top of each other. Like that. Because I only have that many and your girl just doesn't want to go to the store to buy more. So I also have these here, and these came from the 99-cent only store for 99 cents. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to take these and I'm going to place them on top. I think this goes perfect with his little coat because it's blue. Also, I'm probably going to be putting this in my kitchen. And if you've seen my decor, I have blue curtains, and this is the perfect blue. It matches perfectly. So all I did was just place them like that. I'm probably going to put another one here. I'm going to open them up as best as possible. So I'm going to kind of like fan them out over here like that. And it's looking so cute so far. And let's see what else. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take my carrots once again. And I'm going to place 1 carrot here, and then I want one standing. So I want this one over here in the middle, and then this one standing. And then also back here, right back here, as you can see, I went ahead and I added a couple of pieces of purple flowers. So I have this one here, which I'm going to go ahead and place inside my grass so it has something to hold on to. Like that. And I'm going to fan them out so they're not all in a cluster. Then I'm going to just take this one and I'm going to put this in the back like that. So it's looking really cute so far. So that's what the back's looking like, and it's so cute. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add some eggs. Alright, so here in this spot here, I'm going to zoom in. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put this piece of greenery that I got from the 99-cent only store for $1. And I'm gonna kind of open it up a little bit. So I'm gonna put it back here. And then I'm gonna take this little bit of yellow floral and I'm gonna open it up. And now I'm going to be adding these little eggs here. I'm probably going to be adding more. I did make these eggs myself. And as you can see, they say hip hop. So cute. So I'm going to put one there. And then probably put hip back here somewhere. So cute. I love that. I'm probably going to make more eggs. And I'm probably going to put them throughout. If I do, I'm most definitely going to show you. This here needs to stand up. Alright, I'm probably going to have to tie these Easter eggs. I'm probably going to have to tie this so it stays up. But I'm loving this so far. So now back here there's a hole. This hole right here. So I'm going to take this floral here. I got this at Walmart. I'm just going to stick it in there. Just like that to conceal it. To conceal that hole. And I just think this is so cute. I love it. I don't know if I'm loving that floral there. I might go back to Dollar Tree and get some different floral. I don't know. We'll see. Let's see. I have this as well that I got from Walmart as well. And everything doesn't have to be matchy-matchy on both sides. Come on, guys. These guys are a little wonky. Alright, I think I like it like this. I'm most definitely going to probably have to tie these carrots down because they are getting on your girl's nerves. Alright, so I also went ahead and I made these eggs here. And it says ChristyRocksXO. It's just an upgrade of when we used to decorate eggs when we were little. So I went ahead and made these. And now I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to set them here in the front. I think it's going to look so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm loving it. All right, everyone, so here is the final product. I'm absolutely in love with it. I love the way this basket came out. So I will be putting this basket in my kitchen and it's going to go perfect because like I said, my curtains have these beautiful blue flowers all over them. So the blue is going to go and just the pops of yellow and the carrots. I just love the way everything came out. And of course the cute little bunny and his cute little ears. I like the way I have him perched. It's kind of like he's listening for something. He's being a kuka in the cold. If you don't know what a kuka is, it's basically like a nosy person just trying to hear the chisme. So anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please give your girl a big thumbs up because it does help my channel out. And also please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram at ChristyRocksXO. I'm always posting on there. I post really fun things like cooking videos. I should probably post them here, but I don't. Anyways, also don't forget to share this video with someone that may enjoy a good DIY like you and I, because I love the way this came out. And that's pretty much it for today. So until next time, XO till I overdose. Bye!